How to fix Fortnite blue screen of death error on Windows. To fix Fortnite's blue screen of death error on Windows, follow the 2 steps below. 1. Locate then uninstall_batli.bat file at c:/program files /epic games /Fortnite game /binaries /win64 /batli as admin. 2. Now run the install_batli. .bat file as admin. Notes: 1. The c:/drive location may vary depending where you have Fortnite installed. 2. You may search those 2 Windows batch files. Last but not least, keep your Epic up to date.